Merry Christmas in July. Now is the time to gather close and cherish the moments, because this time only comes twice a year. Today we are going to mix the Blue Hawaii, but before we do that, Santa's got to deliver some Christmas in July miracles. I promised to give a shout out to anybody who commented on my video. So, for the two of you who care, here goes. Lamb 1 KKO. Yes, that was an easy one. But, in my opinion, the easiest cocktail is the screwdriver. Dumbass. William Patrick, chocolate milk is easy. Here it is. Step 1, get milk. Step 2, got milk. Step 3, pour milk in a glass. Step 4, pour the milk out of a glass, mix a real drink. Now let's get on to the victory shot. Today's victory shot is El Dorado 15-year rum. Definitely better than Kool-Aid. It'll be a blue Hawaii in my belly. I'll add 3 ounces of pineapple juice. 1 ounce of homemade sweet and sour mix. 1 ounce of vodka, but first, we gotta have a shot. One ounce of 151 rum. Beware, it is flammable, but first, we have to have ourselves a shot. Holy cow! Half ounce of blue Curacao. And that's the Blue Hawaii. Today's word of wisdom is magic. When someone in love is getting their way, they want to know, does magic really exist? But when those they love no longer give in to their stupid crap, they want to know where the magic's gone. To those senseless fools, I want to offer a whimsical solution. Stop expecting others to cave in and make your troubles disappear. Kazam! Stick that trick in your hat, dumbass. Stick that trick in your hat, dumbass. Stick that trick into your hat, dumbass. Stick that trick in your hat, dumbass. Okay. Stick that trick into your ass, dumbass. Sorry.